Hello, you're watching Proactive. Here's a look at some of the stories we've been covering in the resources sector this past week. Anglo Asian Mining has kicked off copper production at its Demirli mine in Azerbaijan. The site is expected to deliver 4,000 tons this year, rising to 15,000 from 2026.
In terms of JORC classified resources, we have over 1 million tons of copper in the ground and over 400,000 ounces of gold. And so, that really is going to form the platform for the future growth and the production, beyond which is the exploration pipeline that I spoke of.
Thor Explorations posted strong first drill results from its Guitry project in Côte d'Ivoire. Early hits include 14 meters at 2.6 grams per ton gold, with a maiden resource expected by year end.
We're diversified by stage of development. We have a producing asset, an advanced exploration asset going into development, and some earlier stage exploration, hopefully with a maiden resource at the end of this year.
Ariana Resources has identified a gold anomaly just 125 meters from its Dokwe North pit in Zimbabwe. In Turkey, Tavşan is nearly ready for first gold, with hot commissioning underway.
There's an expectation that this anomaly that we've encountered is a representation of buried gold mineralization, just as it was in the case of Dokwe North. So it is a very significant drilling target, and we need to now systematically test that as part of our ongoing programs, which ultimately will feed into the feasibility study for Dokwe.
Helium One just secured a mining license for its Rukwa project in Tanzania. It's now planning to install a pump system to bring helium to surface later this year.
We anticipate that the results of this will then further enhance our resource estimate and move us beyond the contingent resource classification as per the recent CPR that was done, and into those all-important bookable reserves, which is ultimately what we'll need to move forwards for project financing.
Pantheon Resources has spudded the Dubhe 1 well in Alaska, marking a shift from exploration to potential production. The well's targeting multiple zones and could become the first producing asset.
The objective here is to demonstrate what the reservoir can deliver with a horizontal well in a modern completion. We'll use that to gather data to build facilities ultimately, but also underpin the gas sales agreement with the state of Alaska for the Alaska gas line. So we're really looking forward to the results of this, Steve.
Follow us and subscribe on YouTube, our social channels, and on proactiveinvestors.co.uk.